been 77 years since India gained independence. And in the last 77 years, we as a nation have been fighting one challenge after the other. And we continue to face challenges. For example, this story that I'm getting you from Sukma in Chhattisgarh, where Naxals, Maoists called the shots for decades together. They ensured that this region never got development. They ensured there was no education, there was no upliftment in all these decades. But our forces, our men in uniform have now taken it upon themselves to ensure that children get education, to ensure that there is development, to ensure that there is upliftment even in the most backward of regions. My colleague Akhil traveled to Sukma to get us this story.
Sukma, Chhattisgarh's ground zero for Naxalism for 4 decades. Rural areas plagued by violence and deprived of basic needs. But as always, keeping the nation first, our forces are here to the rescue. Their mission is threefold: transport, healthcare, and education. First on their agenda, building roads.
See, as long as we are with our team, we are confident that we can handle situations. But if I have to talk about the sensitivity of the place, once we had started establishing our FOB here, we had encountered number of IEDs being planted by the Naxals. Now, in the current scenario also, almost on daily basis, we receive information from our higher-ups that the area is being wrecked by anti-Naxal elements, and they are trying to harm security forces. Not just harm security forces, they are also trying to put pressure on the minds of villagers not to come closer to our camps, not to use things that we are providing to them. We are trying our best to win over the hearts and minds of people, and that is why we are here.
Right. If you see, those Naxals have been trying to create propaganda in the minds of these villagers. We are going to speak to these villagers who are using this roadway over here, and we are just moving towards that direction, and we will speak to them. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए कि कितना फ़ायदा होता है आप लोगों को? सहूलत हो गई है बहुत इसके बनने से? ये जो रोपवे बन गया है, इससे कितना सहूलत है आप लोगों को? ठीक है जी। अच्छा, आज क्या क्या लेकर के आते हैं आप लोग? दाल, चावल, चीनी दिख रहा है मुझे, पानी का बोतल है, अच्छा कोल्ड ड्रिंक का बोतल भी है आप लोगों के पास, है ना? तो here you see viewers, while we were speaking to them, and they have got carry bags. So this is the only way, only path which they use to cross at this very point in time, because it's not easy for these villagers to come towards this side, because this is a one point area where Naxals have been dominating over the decades, and they have been trying not very hard that the bridge which has been planned over here to be built, they are trying to restrict that movement, because they know that once that bridge will be built, then it will be easier for the security forces to communicate, and their nefarious agenda could come in the forward. So that's why what we have been seeing, that they have been using this method so that they can deter our forces. But what we can see, that security forces have been constantly building bridges, and apart from that, here you can see this is a live example of a roadway which has been created by the security forces so that we can reach to that domain. And now we are going to that area where Naxals are there, and we are going in Chhattisgarh Sukma district. Here you can see behind me security forces have been deployed over here. So this has been the infested area by the left-wing extremism. So this has been the hotbed of Naxals for the last 40 years. Here you can see behind me the visuals of this area where barracks is there. Apart from there, you can see security forces, the CRPF Jawans are deployed over there. And here you can see that the development has been done over the past 10 to 15 years. What we have been seeing, that the concrete road has been formed at this very point in time in this area. Apart from that, there's a hand pump also. So due to which what we have been seeing seeing that those villagers who were left out with the mainstream have tried to connect with the mainstream now. As you can see, some of the villagers are over here. Here is a field hospital as well, which was created by the CRPF team. The 219 battalion of the CRPF team was also part of this movement. What we have seen that this recent development in the recent year has happened at this very point of time. Right now I'm joined by Mr. Partha Ghosh, who's the commandant of 219 battalion. How do you see this development? Because what we have seen that earlier there was no hospital. Right now what we are seeing that there is a hospital which was made totally by the CRPF, and which is a fully functional, where there's a particular ward for civilians as well and for the security forces as well.
The force CRPF was deployed here since 2012. The first and foremost focus was to develop the road. The more we able to develop the road, then the other developmental facilities will automatically come. Since our main focus was to road construction. Since subsequently on 2015 after May, this field hospital has started functioning here, and now you can see the field hospital has totally fully functional. All emergency cases, local public has they are very happy that they are coming regularly to get the facility of this hospital.
मैं डॉक्टर आदिल अजीज़ यहाँ पे मार्च 2022 से पोस्टेड हूँ. यहाँ आजू बाजू ऑलमोस्ट देयर आर अराउंड 15-20 villages which we cover. Initially there was hesitation. People were not coming to this hospital. Maybe lack of communication. There was no interaction. But once we started this, we started getting patients. Like there are 6-7 villages I can name them. This गाँव यहाँ से आगे जो है उसको बेजी बोलते हैं. This side there is Regargata. This side Penta Beji, Bandar Patar. Almost 7-6 villages which are very highly Naxal inflated places. They started coming for the treatment because they found it worth to come to field hospital. There are much better facilities. Like I'll show you one of the facilities we have. This is like ALS ambulance, advanced life support system. In this we can save a patient, transport a patient, any injury patient. I'll show you how it is. Like this is a moving trolley. You remove it. It will automatically open.
इसका इस्तेमाल जो है वो सिविलियंस के लिए होता है या फिर सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस?
It is for the both. It is for the both. Security forces, mainly security forces के लिए ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए, and plus the civilians, in which you can find this a portable ventilator, there is defibrillators, insulin pumps, syringes.
पूरा तंत्र है ये बिल्कुल सीआरपीएफ के द्वारा किया गया.
Absolutely, wholly and solely by CRPF.
Before 2015, this hospital was non-existent. What did people do then?
अगर हम देखें तो 7-8 साल पहले यहाँ पर जैसे फील्ड हॉस्पिटल आज के ज़माने में बना हुआ है, इससे पहले सुविधाएं नहीं थी, तो आप उस वक्त कहाँ जाते थे इलाज कराने के लिए?
सर हम जाते थे कोंटा जाते थे या तो सुकमा तरफ जाते थे, लेकिन जब से खुला है हमको मतलब राहत मिला है कि जल्दी से हम कुछ भी हो तो यहाँ इलाज करते हैं. यहाँ अगर नहीं हो पाता है तो आगे भेजते हैं.
Sukma's educational growth is also in focus for the CRPF. The district is underdeveloped due to Naxal's hegemony in the region. There is a lack of standard of education and a severe shortage of qualified teachers in critical subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English.
Hey, you see viewers, so while we have been speaking to these students, they come from the nearby villages over here to learn computer. And here you can see it's written on the wall itself that this learning center was being built by the CRPF, that is Central Reserve Police Force. And here you can see this is a complete infrastructure which was built by the CRPF team to so that from different areas students can come and join the mainstream. Because earlier what we have been seeing that for the last 40 years students used to scare, parents used to scare that they don't basically send their children to these community centers, these computer centers, so that they were out from the mainstream. But right now what's happening that they have joined, they have become the part of this mainstream center, so that the development could happen at a very faster pace.
Dropout rates are alarmingly high. Many cannot afford higher education.
सर 5 किलोमीटर के सराउंडिंग से आते हैं सर बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए.
सीआरपीएफ ने एक बहुत बड़ा कदम उठाया है बच्चों को मेन स्ट्रीम से जोड़ने का. इनके पेरेंट्स भी जो बच्चों को छोड़ने आते होंगे, कहीं ना कहीं इससे जो है वो बच्चे मेन स्ट्रीम में जुड़ेंगे विलेजेस में आसपास के.
बिल्कुल सर, पढ़ाई अगर बच्चे को सिखाए अच्छा मिलेगा तो बच्चे कुछ आगे करेंगे सर, बच्चे पढ़ाएंगे तो.
In a region scarred by conflict and neglect, the forces are not just building bridges and hospitals, they are forging a future. Every mile of road, every classroom, every life saved is a step towards progress. अविकसित भारत।